Yeah. Okay. So this is an advanced mail merge activity. Reading, I was saying that reading the scenario is obviously very, very important. At times, even one sentence, two sentence scenario contains very important point that we tend to ignore. The best practice I've always been telling you is what? You read the entire question. Okay, not not the first question. In fact, go halfway till the paper. It will just take you 5 minutes, but I'm telling you, it is going to save a lot of time because you have an idea what you have to do afterwards. And at times, what happens is third step, there's a point that has to be done, but you were supposed to read it till there. So always good practice. Read ahead. Now let's start. Anywhere you have a confusion, please let me know. ये पूरा मैं complete कर रहा हूँ. It will take me like 35-40 minutes. Then you have to complete it today. You're working for the South Indian Motor Company. You are going to automate some of their business processes. Okay. You are to set up a number of processes, each of which will be assessed from a menu or other selection facility, which we're not going to create that today. Produce personalized letters to customers whose cars were first registered between the two selected dates, right? Okay, right? This link, right? So task one, labels for the customer letter. Cars have been tested when they are 3 years old. They need to produce labels addressed to customers whose cars are due for test, 3 years old only. Prepare to print labels for some customers. The file form labels or shows the structure of the label and the fields required for each label. So there is a file over here which you can see is label form. Okay, it is something like this. It consists of some information like the customer details. You don't have fields. The title, the name should appear. Car for registered on registration date, and so you see this is some sort of like the content, including the field names that will be inserted in every label. So it's a rough draft of the label. Let's see what is required. Okay, so the necessary information can be obtained from car sales or CSV and service centers of CSV. You will need to link fields. You will need to link fields in the two files to obtain all merged information, right? So first we have to import these, then we have to make a relationship. Okay, obviously, provided a printout of the lookup. Lookup नहीं basically the relationship बना होगा. This is what they're saying. So we will just show the relationship links. Why are they talking about the lookup formula? Because if you're using some other software, उसमें maybe the required might be that. We'll need to add the following records. Point number 4. Point number 5. Insert merge field into suitable size master form label. Okay. ये जो आपके है ये सबसे important point at point number 5, which means is insert merge fields. When they say insert merge fields, these are these not your merged fields? Are these not the fields that will be merged? Yes or no? इनकी बात कर रहा है. इनको कह रहा है कि you have to actually place this entire thing into a suitable size label, which means is that if you look at this particular thing, this can fit in what label? This ये इसकी size क्या है? इसको मैं normal में ले आता हूँ. So I think so. What do you suggest? If I make labels out of this, if I put this into label, suitable size label, so 2-column label या single column label, 2-column fit हो जाएगा. Do you get my point? What does this point mean? It means that we are supposed to make labels. It's our choice. We look at the data, we look at what the content, and we have to place it in a label. Right. Select cars registered in June 2020. So select cars. अब देखो, if I was not going in a flow, तो मैंने simple क्या करना था? मैंने directly connect कर लेना था. Wrong. I have to do is कि I have to make a query. और query में कौन सी fields डालूंगा मैं? I've imported, I made relationship between the tables, then I make a query. Query में मैं कौन सी fields डालूंगा? Very good. The one out which are over here. जो इधर है, table में भी है और जो इधर है, title, name, name to. So in your mail merge master document में जो fields होती हैं, वही जाएंगी आपके database में. Get the point? you need to understand कि आप करना क्या है. आपने, why are you importing two tables into Access? Because you want to use data from both tables. What are the other advantages? Once you've made relationship between two tables, you can easily extract any information from any table because you will have one-to-many relationship. You get the point? If you were using only Excel file, either you could have used car sales or service center. दोनों तो आप use नहीं कर सकते ना. Flat file database का ही तो disadvantage है. Are you with me when I'm discussing all this? CS spreadsheet में तो नहीं हो सकता ना. आप ये तो नहीं कर सकते सर मैं एक स्प्रेडशीट का डेटा कॉपी करूं और दूसरी स्प्रेडशीट में पेस्ट कर दूं. Then I can no, you can't do that. You have to use an RDBMS software and you have to import different tables into this RDBMS software such as Access. You make a relationship between the tables, you make a query, add the fields in the query, criteria डालो, query को save करो और query को करेंगे हम attach mail merge के साथ. मैंने जो कुछ कहा उसमें कोई भी ambiguity है, अब clarity है बात बात पे प्लीज, क्योंकि हमारे पास अब वो टाइम नहीं है कि हम कंफ्यूजन में रहे. अच्छा ये मैं सारा प्रोसेस करता हूँ. इफ यू विल हैव 1% डाउट प्लीज आप उसको क्लैरिफाई करना है अपने आप. सो यू रेड द क्वेश्चन, दिस इज व्हाई आई गिव यू टाइम टू रीड. मैं चाह रहा था आप समझो. चलो उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड आई विल डू इट विद यू. सो we'll come into Access. We need the path, so I'll just copy the path. Okay, and here we go. Let's simply perfect. Let me just we'll sample into external text file, Control V. We're supposed to import car sales. Obviously, this is not your O-level exam. It does not tell you कौन-कौन से fields के क्या data type होंगे इस बेटा. वेबसाइट ओपन ही नहीं हो रही. sirsign.com. एक सेकंड एक काम करो बेटा. यू आपके आ रहा है माई कंप्यूटर. डू यू हैव ड्राइव पे नहीं आ रही. वेयर इज दिस? Do you have this drive coming, Mr. Syme? Go into PC. Do you see IT teachers? की drive आ रही है PC माई कंप्यूटर पे? No? No? सिर्फ उस 14 का काम वो इधर से तो आपको सुबह आना चाहिए था. बाकी सब का आ रहा है. राइट. Can you come with Iman? Oh, yes, Mia. Sit with Mia for a while. Yes, you do. The time waste now. Okay? She's sitting with you. Okay, and you do with her. Okay. So what we're doing now is I'm going to import this. So first row content field names. Okay. बेटा ऐसा करने से अगर आप एक बार सुन लो, then you can do it. How is that? Okay, all of you. So first content field name. Let me know if there's a problem. Okay. Tab, comma. In this particular part, remember, comma separate value CSV is not the only file. If the examiner gives you a notepad file, a notepad file will consist of tab. उसमें the fields are separated through a tab. So आपको TXT file भी दी जा सकती है. कंफ्यूजन वाली बात नहीं है. जैसे TXT file given है, how do we import this? अब ये जो मैं points कह रहा हूँ, ये during the exam मैंने अगर टेस्ट लिया, if you say सर ये मुझे याद नहीं, मैंने किया नहीं, तो मैं will not accept it. मैं आपको अभी बता रहा हूँ कि the process will be exactly 100% the same. So अगर text file given है, आप text file से you will import it. What will happen is when you come next, you will not see comma here, you will see a tab. So there is no problem. हाँ? मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि right now जो मैं data import कर रहा हूँ वो किसका है? I want to show you the type. अच्छा यूँ दिखाता हूँ. What is this? It's a comma separated value. Is it not a CSV file? Yes or no? ये कौन सी फाइल है? बेटा ये ऊपर में जाए, ऊपर लिखा, ये लिखा नहीं ऊपर, एक्सेल कॉमा सेपरेटेड वैल्यू, ऊपर लिखा आ रहा है, यस और नो? अगर यूं भी नहीं होता, आप राइट क्लिक करो, प्रॉपर्टीज में जाओ, डोंट यू सी कॉमा सेपरेटेड वैल्यू CSV फाइल डॉट, ओके, राइट क्लिक करके किसी भी चीज की प्रॉपर्टी, JPG वगैरह फाइल की, दैट्स हाउ यू चेक, यस और नो? सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि इफ यू गेट अ TXT फाइल, अब इन देखो, ए लेवल IT को आप इतना भी ना आसान समझो, मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ, there could be numerous things that come in, you have to practice a lot, you have to be confident, और जो जो पॉइंट मेंशन करूं दे रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, हर मॉड्यूल में डिस्कस करूंगा। सो एग्जामिनर कैन गिव यू TXT फाइल टू प्रैक्टिस विद, और मैं ट्राई तो करूंगा कि आई मेक एक्टिविटीज दैट एक्सप्लोर मोस्ट पॉसिबल पॉइंट्स, मगर हर साल कोई ना कोई ऐसा पॉइंट आता है जो मेरी एक्टिविटीज में भी नहीं होता, मगर वो कॉमन सेंस होती है। अब अगर वो कॉमन सेंस हमने ड्यूरिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं याद होगा तो उसमें स्टक होने वाली बात नहीं। यूजली वेरी लेस स्टूडेंट्स टू हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम, अगर यूजली कहते हैं हाँ सर आपने पॉइंट डिस्कस किया था एक दफा जी, तो वो आया पॉइंट। और ये तो कोविड की वजह से हुआ, वरना 19 में जो पेपर हुआ था, 18 में पेपर हुआ था IT का, मैंने फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग जो जो मैंने पॉइंट्स कहे थे कि इनको देखो 1 मंथ पहले, बिलीव मी कि P2 एंड P4 में 60% वही पॉइंट्स आए थे, एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी। मगर ये हुआ था कि 50% स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस में वो तैयार नहीं कर गए, जो तैयार कर गए थे उन्होंने कहा था सर एग्जैक्टली आपको सब वही पॉइंट्स आने हैं। ऑब्वियसली विद एक्सपीरियंस आई कैन टेल कि क्या ट्रेंड आएगा। Practice the following points. So what I'm trying to say is, whenever I say note it down, these things are important. So सेमीकोलन भी हो सकता है आपके TXT फाइल में, हो सकता है एग्जामिनर नोटपैड फाइल में लिखे साइन सेमीकोलन एड्रेस सेमीकोलन एज, सॉर्ट लाइक दैट, ओके, स्पेस भी आ सकता है, राइट? इसकी भी मेरी एक एक्टिविटी है, हमारी रिवीजन खत्म होती है तो आप लोग मेरी एक्टिविटीज करना शुरू कर दोगे, उसमें हम ये करेंगे। पास पेपर में नहीं आया हुआ, but there's a different point that can come next time, so we can change the data type if required. Obviously you know we have discussed this before, okay, right? जब हम ऑटोमेशन करेंगे अगले वीक सैटरडे को हम ऑटोमेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एडवांस डेटाबेस। सो एडवांस डेटाबेस, व्हेन वी स्टार्ट एडवांस डेटाबेस, उससे पहले आई विल टेक द फर्स्ट लेक्चर टू रिवाइज द बेसिक्स, to then I will come over to the advanced in the second lecture. Okay, Saturday को हमारा plan होगा. Next, do I want a primary key? Yes, VI number can be a primary key. Hopefully all of you know what a primary key is. Okay, honest is the best policy. नहीं पता तो मुझे बता दो. पता ना primary key, unique key field क्या होती है? That uniquely distinguishes every record. Yes or no? Okay, and what's a foreign key? Very good. And how would you elaborate a foreign key, man? Man, तुम्हें क्या हुआ? Summer break, what have you been doing? कोई बात, वेरी गुड, ऑनेस्टली मैं बता रही हूँ, हम मेहनत करते हैं, ठीक है। व्हीकल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर इधर आ रहा है, दैट्स माय प्राइमरी की बिकॉज इट्स यूनिक। मे बी आई हैव इज अनदर टेबल जिसमें आई हैव इज अ वर्कशॉप, और वर्कशॉप का जो टेबल है उसमें जो व्हीकल आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर happens to be not a primary key, because multiple cars visit the workshop every week. One car visits like twice a week. So this means that vehicle identification number in the workshop table will not be primary key. It will be foreign key because it's being repeated. Yes, maybe there is some other key inside the workshop table, which probably is the car ID, so that they can, or the record ID, or anything through which they can keep a record of their fields. मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? Like customer ID. Customer ID in the customer table will be a primary key. आप customers कौन से आए हैं, उनकी हर customer की ID primary key होगी कि नहीं होगी? But if you have a sales table में customer ID will be foreign key, और sales table में sales ID will be a primary key. Why customer ID will be foreign key in the sales table? Because the following customer bought 3 things, 4 things, 10 items. customer ID will be repeated in the sales table. Yes or no? You get my point? So whenever a primary key is being repeated in some other table, it's known as a foreign key. Get the point? इसकी एग्जांपल मैं आपको इधर देने लगा हूं आज. So don't worry, we will discuss that. Okay, next. मैंने next किया, and I have to make sure, please, that we have the date as DMY. The date has to be DMY. Okay. थोड़े बहुत points में आज भी discuss करो databases पे, because we don't use MDY, we use DMY because we are appearing for a UK based paper. So DMY setting होनी जरूरी है. Finish किया. If you get any error, luckily I got one. Excellent, I got an error. Please all of you look at this. Good, I got the error. I have to import again. अब आपने ये नहीं करना कि error आया उसको delete कर दो. No, you have to open and see where the error is. Where is the error? On which field? Type conversion. हमें पढ़ना आना चाहिए. Type conversion failure. Registration date. Field कौन सी है? Registration date. और row छोड़ो. मतलब ये है कि वो कह रहा है कि it could not convert. So can someone help me out? What do you think the error could have been? What did I not do? Yeah. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Date का format. वो कह रहा है ना type conversion. The data type उसके जो format है वो गलत था. ये क्या है इधर? ये है M month day year. गलत है. मेरे कंप्यूटर की सेटिंग गलत है. चलो इसको रेक्टिफाई करते हैं. मैं एक काम करता हूँ. I'll just take a second. I'll delete this and I'll delete this. So I'll import this again. Browse किया मैंने. Car sales, okay. Next, first row, next. Advanced में आया. I'll just make sure I'll change this into DMY. Yes or no? Day month year किया, okay किया. Next किया. Primary key choose की. I should not get the error now. So what I do is, I don't get the error. You get my point? Because what you were trying to do was, you were trying to convert 24 into a month. You don't have 24 as a month. How can you do that? Yes or no? और जोन सी fields में ये exceed कर रहा था 12 से month, वहाँ वो error दे रहा है. You get my point? What else errors can you face? Telephone should be text. You know that. Telephone is always text. Please ये लिख लो. ये गलतियां बच्चे करते हैं. Telephone is always text. How would you remember this? 111 KFC KFC. Hungry? Yes or no? That's the word. Okay, you can get dash, you can get letters. Telephone number में कुछ जरूरी है, numbers ही आए. So telephone is always text. And lastly, if you do not read the scenario carefully, कई दफा scenario में उसने mention किया होता है कि क्या boolean logic होगा, क्या होगा. That is another reason जो आप गलतियां करोगे. You get the point? Okay, मैंने अब कहा ना, इंशाल्लाह अगले Saturday before I start advanced databases, I will recap everything in a summarized 1 hour lecture. Before the next 1 hour, we can do it. आज तो खैर आधा घंटा तो waste हुआ because of this connectivity and all that. Anyway, so done. Imported. Let's import the other one. Text file किया, browse किया, service center किया, delimited. We are not doing fixed width. Please, let's not discuss fixed width. हमने करना भी नहीं. हम delimited में, that's it. Okay. Next. First row contains field names. Obviously, we have to tell access that the first row has to be the field names. Next. Okay. Do I have to change any? Yeah. Telephone is already text. If telephone was number, it would have given me an error. So you have to remember these things. I don't have a date, so I'll not have a problem of MDY or DMY. ना भी करूँ खैर. तो मैं नहीं करता तो date है इसमें. So next किया. Do I choose a primary key? Yes. The code has to be primary key. Agree with me? Iman? Beta, sure? Sure. Next, finish. And here we go. So we have successfully imported. Now, you tell me, okay? All of you. Quietly, beta, concentrate. Or say. मुझे आपने ये बताना है कि ये दोनों टेबल. Look at this table closely. Look at the fields closely, please. क्या क्या fields है, क्या क्या data है. देख लिया. इसमें VI number by the way primary key है. Service centers को देखो. इसमें the code is a primary key. The code is the primary key. So I can arrange in ascending order and I can arrange here. So इसमें और इसमें, I repeat again, the code is a primary key here, the VI number is primary key over here. Which field in both tables can be linked? Location and why did you thought of this? बिल्कुल सही है, आंसर इज 100% करेक्ट। जरा गौर से देखो, मैं हमेशा एक काम करूंगा। What I would do is, please listen carefully. In order to make a relationship, मैं करूंगा, देखो मैंने इसको सेंडिंग ऑर्डर में किया ना, to see how कौन कौन से वैल्यूज हैं। I will do the same thing. I'll click on location and I'll put in sending order. Do you see I get BA multiple times? Do I have BA? Yes, I do. Do you see I have CH appearing multiple times? Yes, I do. Do you see I have KAMAMURATE appearing multiple times? Yes, I do. Do you realize something? That all these are present over here. And the way I just defined you a foreign key was what? When a primary key is being repeated in some other table, it's a foreign key. Is it not correct? So is location not a foreign key? Yes or no? Is location not a foreign key in the car sales table? Is code not a primary key in the service center table? And the relationship that will be established between code of the service center and the location in the car sales table will be one to many. Okay, this is one, it's appearing once, and this is appearing many times. Yes or no? इसको कहते हैं one to many relationship, इसको कहते हैं primary to foreign relationship. This is it. And it's one of the most common relationship that is created in RDBMS softwares. One of the most common. Right, clear with that? So once I have decided all this, it's such a good thing that to note down things, and it will be a lot better if you obviously go through it as well. So मेरा बार बंद क्यों हो रहा है वाईफाई? तो वजह क्या है? क्या बंद हो गया? अच्छा बेटा आगे देखो. So once I have इसमें system life cycle system analysis design बहुत आता है. मैं आपको बार बार कहूंगा कि आपने पेपर सॉल्व करना है इस तरह के you are trying to provide a solution to anyone. Okay, आपको टास्क दिया गया है by anyone, you have just completed. Don't take it fully as an exam. Don't panic. Use your knowledge and solve the problem. ये important चीज है आपके लिए. Practical को अपने यूं देखना. If you panic, ठीक है. If you panic, तो मसला पैनिक से ये आता है कि you will not think the way you should be thinking. आप थोड़ा घबरा जाओगे और उस तरह नहीं होगा. You get my point? So what I'll do now is, since I have thought of it, मैंने देखा टेबल्स को, और with practice you will be able to think right away. कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगा. इसमें ये भी हो सकता था कि I have vehicle identification number in one table and I have vehicle identification number in the other table probably, और दूसरी टेबल में भी VIN number was a primary key. So you can also make a relationship for one to one. It's allowed. बन सकता है, मगर many to many नहीं बनेगा ना हम यूज करें. You get my point? In the next class Saturday को इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको many to many की एग्जांपल देने की कोशिश करूंगा वैसे, मगर हमने इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना नहीं है. Just to explain, अभी नहीं, फिर काम बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, सॉल्व नहीं होगा. So if I come to external, I'll come to relationship. I'll add all the tables. दो हैं, चार भी हो सकते हैं, पांच भी हो सकते हैं, छह भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, ऐड किया. सो जितने टेबल्स होंगे उतने ही मार्क्स आपके होंगे for in order to make a relationship between them. Keep in mind, there was a paper of IT that came in which the examiner gave 25 marks only to make the relationship, because obviously that was a major task. उसने यही मार्क्स दे दिए 25, आगे जाके रिपोर्ट के उसने दे दिए 10, और फिर 5 यूं के उसने 40 to 50 मार्क्स ऑफ एक्सेस का दिया, देन ही गेव 50 मार्क्स टू साउंड रेटिंग और आपका पी टू कंप्लीट। यू गेट माय पॉइंट। ये एक्सेल आता है, ये एक्सेस आता है P2 में, और P4 में भी एक्सेस आता है मगर एडवांस आता है in P4, okay, right? So but not always, it's not important that P4 always comes, rarely comes in P4, not always. Now we did establish the point k location and code, so I'll click on code, I'll click drag and drop over here. I will take a screenshot of this and place it in my evidence document. You know that, right? Anyone has confusion with that? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? You take this, you just new, you take a sample of this, here you go, you copy and you paste in MS Word. Fine. ठीक हो गया? Here you confusion है तो मैंने बंद तो कर दिया. File new, Control V. Done. Next, once you've done this, you just say create. And then you'll also take new a screenshot of this as well. Or if the examiner emphasizes on the fact that also create a relationship report, confused you na, you'll see over here is that you have is a relationship report. Just click on the relationship report. वैसे तो डेटाबेस की मैं आज साथ रिवीजन कर रहा हूँ कि मैं सैटरडे को हमें ज्यादा काम ना करना पड़ेगा और ज्यादा। सो इसका रिलेशनशिप रिपोर्ट है, इसको आप करो सेव, आपकी रिलेशनशिप रिपोर्ट हैज बीन सेव्ड बिकॉज सॉफ्ट कॉपी विल बी सेंड, यू गेट द पॉइंट. सो स्क्रीनशॉट कैन बी टेकन एज वेल और रिलेशनशिप रिपोर्ट कैन बी डन, यू गेट माय पॉइंट. ओके, वैसे तो बेहतर ये है कि आप रिलेशनशिप रिपोर्ट एग्जामिनर ना भी कहे ना तो बना दिया करो, देयर इज नो हार्म, देयर इज एन एडवांटेज टू इट, यू गेट माय पॉइंट. ओके, so till now we have been able to do this. Let's continue. अगला पॉइंट ये था कि provide a formula to relationship हमने कर दिया है. Add the following records. Okay, I'm not doing it right now. How do you add the following records? आपने ये करना है कि जो records हैं like VIN, these you'll come down over here and you'll enter the records. You get my point. Data entry करनी है ना इन दोनों की, हो जाएगी? नहीं होगी? Samia, you just like to irritate me. Thank you so much. FM, I hate doing this. FMM 747. आगे समझ, ये सारे एंटर करना है, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. चलो देखा ना, फंस गया मैं. And Samia is laughing. Okay, so here we go. आपने डेटा एंट्री कर ली. Well, you know the reason why they ask you to do this so that you are aware of rectifying any errors and you're careful about entering the data. You get the point. So data entry question भी आता है where you have to enter. अच्छा अच्छा, वैसे ये भी बेटा हो सकता है. बात सुनो, ये तो उसने कह दिया ना कि डेटा एंट्री आपको यहाँ से, मैं वैसे डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि लेट्स वी हैव द टाइम टुडे, तो मुझे जरा बोलने दो क्या है. इसके बाद आपने सॉल्व करना है, मगर one data entry can be done through table. You agree with me? Table is what? Table is a backward. मैं इस बात को explain करता हूँ. You should know this. Basically होता ये है कि you have is a backend table. Okay. Please ignore my writing. I don't have a tablet. And then you have over here is a form. और ये आप सारी data entry करते form में. Okay. Data entry is done in form. So data entry आपने की form में, you typed information, and then when you click on submit button, all the data goes into the table. Table basically जो आपका होता है, this is known as the back end. जो form आपका होता है, basically we call this the front end. Okay, I cannot write it. Front end. So table is the back end, form is the front end. You get the point? We are using Access database, जिसमें we don't have is a Middleware. What's a middleware? Middleware basically are languages that help you to transfer data from the front end to the back end. ये बस एक discussion हो रही है. Access में एक built-in OLE object होता है that connects. अगर web based की बात करते हैं हम, आपको we have studied this. Do you remember web based में हमने क्या discuss किया हुआ अभी तक? ये अगर let's say we convert the entire scenario not from a desktop based, let's convert this to a web based. Let's take it to web. तो अगर web based को लेके जाते हैं, we have made this form, yes or no? And we made this form in what? In HTML. And we validated the fields using what? JavaScripting. Yes or no? You get the point? ये तो याद है ना, हमने काफी टाइम स्पेंड किया था इस पे, JavaScripting पे. So हमने fields को validate किया. So JavaScripting is a client-side scripting or server-side scripting? Huh? Client-side scripting. And why is it client-side scripting? Because JavaScripting resides on the client. Is the client not doing the data entry, filling up the form for a college, university, submitting it? Yes or no? And while you submit, you tend to enter some wrong details, wrong email address, something else wrong, and some form submit karte ho kya kehta hai, your email is wrong, your this field is wrong, marked in red. Yes or no? Hota hai na? Agree? Hota hai na? So this language is actually interacting with whom? With the client computer. So those languages which interact with the respective workstation, वो language होती है. It's sided, client sided, it's sided with the client. Server sided, it's sided with the server. It's working for the server, it's working for the client. मेरी बात समझ आई है? HTML, JavaScripting, ठीक है? These JSP, ये सारी आपकी client side scripting. And then you have server side scripting. Server side scripting includes your active server pages, your PHP, okay, and your CGI scripting. ये आपकी server side scripting है. मैंने सारा पता एक्सप्लेन किया आपको क्योंकि थ्योरेटिकल में आपको पता होना चाहिए. अच्छा, अब मैं पहुंचा कहाँ हूँ आपको ये बताने के लिए कि अगर ये वेब बेस्ड होता तो this has been developed through HTML and JavaScripting. This will be your table again in Access. मगर वेबसाइट पे जब हम जाते हैं, you cannot connect HTML front end with Access very easily. You have to have a language, another language, a middleware language. This middleware language that connects your front end to the back end, okay, this will be ASP or PHP, such kind of languages. .ASP or .PHP. You getting my point? Data यहाँ से उठेगा through ASP, PHP languages, उठा के फिर they will send it to the backend server के database में. So if you get an access to the languages, you get an access to the code, and that's how website is hacked and so on and so forth. Client को पता भी नहीं होता कि PHP, ASP के extension क्या है, वो सिर्फ webmaster को पता होता है. Anyway, just wanted to explain you all this. Okay, we'll keep on coming back to these things. So client side scripting clear, server side scripting clear. Yes or no? Any confusion? Samia, beta? Yes, confusion? No confusion. Okay. So मैं सारा ये story इसलिए start की थी to just explain you one simple thing. क्योंकि मैं अगर directly कर देता, I don't want to do that. मैं आता हूँ create में. मैं सिर्फ पेपर नहीं सॉल्व कर रहा, मैं मल्टीपल चीजें भी डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. ओके, वी कैन डू दैट, वो हो जाएगा. मैं क्रिएट पे आया एंड आई क्लिक ऑन फॉर्म. देखा फॉर्म बन गया. दोस्त हु मिस द क्लास, मैं क्या करूँ? अब यू डू सी ओवर हियर आई कैन ब्राउज थ्रू द रिकॉर्ड्स. इज दिस अ रिपोर्ट? इट्स नॉट अ रिपोर्ट. रिपोर्ट में कैन यू ब्राउज थ्रू लाइक दिस? नो, इट्स अ फॉर्म. लेट्स डिस्कस फॉर्म्स टुडे एज वेल. हम पेपर भी कर लेंगे. फॉर्म जब बनाते हो आप, मैं अगले स्लाइड रिपीट नहीं करूंगा ये पॉइंट्स, ऑब्वियसली नॉट. So what we do is, first of all, we should have this button. I click on the button. मैं इधर आया, form design button में, I'll click here. I get this. I want to go to the first record. I'll make 4 buttons. It's pretty easy work. I use another button. I'll go to the last record. I select another button. I go to the next record. I go to another button to the previous record. ठीक हो गया? Now let's preview. So you see, I can go to the next record, previous record. I don't want to use these. No, because I want my last, first. So I can browse through my form. Yes or no? अब मैं क्या चाहता हूँ? I need my command buttons. These are known as navigation buttons. Command buttons क्या होते हैं? I want to add a new record. I want to save the record. I want to delete a record. I want to duplicate a record. Let's do that. So let's save the form. Or let's make more buttons. Click on the button. And here we go. Form operation. Okay. Sorry. Record operation. Next one. Record operation. Add new record. Next. Add record. मैं लेक्चर आज ही अपलोड करके जाऊंगा, शेयर कर दूंगा, ठीक है? गो थ्रू इट. नेक्स्ट ऐड किया है तो आई वुड लाइक टू सेव इट. अच्छा, और क्या करें? मे बी आई वांट टू डिलीट अ record. Record operation, delete record. ठीक है, काफी. They could even ask you to make a button to exit. यहाँ मैं बना डालता हूँ. Application, quit application. Okay. So let's save it. So we have this. So if I add a new record, anything, registration date, location, or name, sign, right? So I'll just save it, save the record, बंद कर दिया. Done हो गया. Did I go back to the table and do it? No, मैं table में edit नहीं की मैंने. अब मैं इसको बंद करता हूँ and let me open it. So you must do a very good. Just one second, just one. Do you see this? I have done the data entry where? Exactly. So do you get the point of this? So forms are used to do data entry from the front end. And we learned how to make a form today, yes or no? You get my point? Any problem with that? So story कहाँ start हुई थी कि एग्जामिनर ने कहा कि do the following data entry table में. मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रहा था कि टेबल के अलावा प्रोफेशनली एक्चुअली फॉर्म में डेटा एंट्री होती है, टेबल में नहीं होती. नहीं, मैंने वेब बेस्ड की एग्जांपल आपको एक्स्ट्रा दिया थ्योरेटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ये तो डेस्कटॉप बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर है. देखो, आप किसी फार्मेसी का सॉफ्टवेयर देखते हो, डेस्कटॉप बेस्ड है. आप कहीं भी यूजर होता है. एक होते हैं डेस्कटॉप बेस्ड सॉफ्टवेयर विच विल रिमेन ओनली ऑन वन वर्क स्टेशन. एक होते हैं वेब बेस्ड. वेब बेस्ड का मतलब ये है कि आपने सर्वर बनाया, आपने डेटाबेस सर्वर पे रखी, और आपने अभी स्टार्ट वेरी लेंथी टॉपिक. आपने होस्टिंग ली, आपने स्पेस ली, एंड यू मेड वेबसाइट. उस वेबसाइट में आपने HTML में फॉर्म बनाया. उस दैट फॉर्म में वही फील्ड्स हैं जो मेरे डेटाबेस में फील्ड्स हैं टेबल में, एंड आई हैव अ सबमिट बटन. सो आई हैव लिंक्ड माय डेटाबेस, माय डेटाबेस टेबल विद द HTML फॉर्म. उसको मैंने इससे कनेक्ट कर दिया वही फील्ड्स के. फॉर एग्जांपल नेम, एड्रेस, लोकेशन मेरे HTML में फील्ड्स हैं. नेम, एड्रेस, लोकेशन मेरे एक्सेस में फील्ड्स हैं. सो व्हेन आई एंटर दीज फील्ड्स, सबमिट, डेटा यहाँ से जाएगा ओवर द इंटरनेट और मेरे सर्वर के जाके एक्सेस टेबल में, एक्सेस के टेबल में जाके सेव हो जाएगा. बिल्कुल लगा सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन हो, वैलिडेशन तो होता है फॉर मेंटेनिंग डेटा इंटेग्रिटी. नहीं, एक्सेस में वैलिडेशन इज नॉट डन थ्रू दैट. एक्सेस में फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू वैलिडेट इज दैट इट शुड बी मिस्टर, मिस, और सिर्फ दो ही है. MR है जी सर, रुमान है. हाँ, कोई हाँ कर दो, रुमान है. ठीक है, मुझे मुझे ठीक है.
Welcome to Faster Bluetooth speaker.
Right. So what I'll do is, I'll come to the design view or title में आके what I'll do is I'll write in the validation rule is Mr. or MRS. Do you see where I'm typing this? And over here I'll write is enter Mr. or MRS. Yes or no? That's my text, that's my rule. Yes or no? So what I do is, you know what's it saying now? We should read the errors. We always ignore it. वो कहता है कि आपने कोई validation rule लगाया इस field के ऊपर. Data integrity rules have been changed. Are you sure you are in your senses and you want to continue? I said, I know what I'm doing. Yes. क्योंकि my rule might be contradicting the existing data. If I am insisting that I just want to enter Mr. or MRS, and I have 1-2 records that have MS, those might be deleted. You get my point? They will not. मगर access warrant कर देता है. अब क्या होता है? मैं इधर आता हूँ और instead of this I write is MS and I press tab. It says no. You just said that you can only enter Mr. and MRS. So you can't write MS. What is validation? This is one of the validation rules. Okay? Validation is a way you can do is maintain data integrity. You get the point. Is it clear? LGS 101 ठहरो मैंने शेयर किए थे, मैं आपसे भी शेयर कर दूं. A2IT मैं भूल जाऊंगा मुझे. गिव मी अ सेकंड, लेट मी शेयर.
Sir, did you only do database today?
Why are you late, Dua? And
Sir,
why
I'm
not?
really sorry.
Dua,
I had an emergency at home and everyone had to leave like super early around 6 a.m.
okay.
I just got home.
We were actually doing a mail merge activity, but the story went somewhere else. We're still doing that. Okay. Just 1 second. I'm just going to share one thing. Just 1 second, please. So while discussing all this, I went over with some really important points. This is A2. I will just share it. There is this validation rules notes. मैं आपसे share कर देता हूँ अभी PDF file. So all the validation rules that can come are mentioned here. So I can have over here Mr. Okay. So we'll discuss that later on next week. So अब continue करते हैं. जो part मैंने आज discuss किया please उसको ध्यान में रखना. Okay, this will continue as well. So Dua, beta. This activity that we are doing, it's on mrsyme.com.
Yes, sir.
Activity mail merge and activity 1. Okay, you have to read this again thoroughly. I'm doing it. So what we've done is the task number 1. We have established relationships. Now what we do is we have to make is a query, and the query will include what fields. So let's go back. Let's speed it up. So come to create, come to query design, add both tables into it. And the fields that I need are what? Now please look over here. We did decide कि fields कौन सी होंगी. मैं इसको बंद कर देता हूँ, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Fields होंगी ये. नहीं, मैंने बंद कर दिया था. This was yes. This was label form. So the fields that we need are these. So I need is the title, name, name to address. So I need is the title, name 1, name 2, address, right? Then we need is the town, registration date. I need is the town. I need is registration date. Then I need is the manager surname, branch, telephone. Manager surname, branch address, and telephone. Am I right? These are the fields we require. Okay? So in mail merge, obviously this is what we do. We have to see कौन सी fields है. और अब हम क्या करेंगे? Now we will put this सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया. अब सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया क्या है? रीड दिस, especially point number 7. Select cars registered in June 2002. Acha, if I run this, I get this. So I have registration date. So if I want to find the cars which were registered in June 2002, what do I do? What do I type? Dua, aap batao.
Sir, before, so you write less than
Acha,
or
bilkul,
equal to.
absolutely correct. एक थोड़ा सा मसला है कि this is not DMY, this is MDY, because my computer setting were not accordingly. आप नोट कर रहे होगे ना, ये 25 आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
So this is month, day, year. It's wrong. मैं दोबारा कह रहा हूँ ना, मेरे कंप्यूटर की सेटिंग DMY होनी चाहिए थी, मगर since it is appearing that way, for now मैं MDY को follow कर लेता हूँ. मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि हमने DMY ही करना है, and your computers will be set to DMY before every assessment or every work we do. Okay, even your home computer, the first thing you do is check its DMY. Okay, so if we follow the same rule, बिल्कुल सही आपने कहा, so we have to have it June 2002. So we'll say is greater than equal to, so month June, June has 30, I believe, and 2002, greater than and less than equal to 06. No, कोई बोल नहीं रहा.
Sir, what was the
01
criteria again? Yeah.
and 30 and 2002. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So it should be between 1st June 2002 and 30th June 2002. Will it not fulfill the purpose of being in June 2002? Yes or no? पहली से लेके 30th June तक. If I run this, I get the following record, and you can see the following record are all in June. आपने प्लीज वेरीफाई करना है. वेरिफिकेशन क्या है? यही वेरिफिकेशन है. आप अगर वेरिफिकेशन करते रहो ना, कोई चीज गलत कभी होगी नहीं. यू नो 20% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वेयर गुड स्टूडेंट्स कमिट अ मिस्टेक, दे डोंट वेरीफाई. इतने कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं नहीं नहीं मुझसे मिस्टेक होगी, और चेक ही नहीं करते. अगर आप चेक करोगे आपको आइडिया हो दिस इज रॉन्ग, डेटा तो गलत आ रहा है मेरा, तो रैंडमली वेरीफाई कर लो. इफ यू हैव 100 records, आप जल्दी से ब्राउज करो, देखो रैंडमली मेरे सही है, यू विल गेट एन आइडिया. You get my point. So here we are done. So let's read again. Are we done with the purpose? Select cars in June and merge records for only cars registered in this month. The label should be present in ascending order of town, then name to, ascending order of town, and then name to, right? Okay. We've done that. So we simply do is we simply save this as I will do is I'll just save it as SQD1 is fine. But my database is 2. Where is my database? In my documents. अभी तक तो आपको बात पता हो चुका है. Your databases get saved in my documents. By default, शुरू में you can make a folder and you can save it over there. So I can close it now. I can now do is, now what do we need to do? We have to go back to point number 5. Insert merge fields into a suitable size master form label. सबसे पहले लेबल्स बनाते हैं, then we will copy this, उस टेबल में पेस्ट करेंगे, इनको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे with the fields, करेक्ट करेंगे, and let's see now. So let's start. So here we go, file new, let's create labels, come to mailing, use existing list, and I go to my documents, database 2, and query. Agree with me? Query 1. So edit करके देखो, is this what we did? Yes or no? Please be sure. Okay? गलती ना इसमें हो. कई दफा गलती.
So how did you open a query?
बेटा, you just come here. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Use existing list. Come to documents and database 2. I just remember that was database 2. Open. And once you open this, you get the tables and the query. You can see the query is different. Okay? Naming your query, naming your report appropriately is very important. I didn't do that. Please, you will do that. Okay? For example, I would have named this as, इसको पहले connect कर देता हूँ. I could have named this as, yes, car registered in June 2002. इसका नाम ये बेहतर होता. The query is of what? It should represent something. Now, what is it representing? Facilitate the examiner. Your work should be produced as per professional standard. Bar kaha jata hai. Okay? The Simon didn't do it as professional standard. He just named as query 1, not right. मगर आपने करना है. Get the point? Okay? Right. So, now since we have attached it, we will do something is we'll just make label. Okay, let's do the first step. Let's make suitable size. So if I make suitable size label, मैंने अभी सोचा है कि 2 labels में आराम से fit हो जाएगा 2 column में. So I'll come into labels. We did decide upon this yesterday that 5160, which comes under US Avery, is one of the best options for us to make work with labels. So that's okay. I will somehow just make the border visible. It's perfectly fine. I'll delete some extra dead details from here. You cannot exactly get a label to examiner requirement क्योंकि आपको edit करना पड़ेगा ये confirm बात. So I'll delete the entire column. और मुझे ये space है ना, I don't even want that. So I can even delete this column. So if 1, 2, 3, 4 रख लेते हैं. 5 भी आ जाएंगे. We can just experiment and see. I'll delete these rows. I'll just zoom out a bit so that I can just drag it, place it in the center, stretch it to see my margins are the same. Professional standards से produce करना है. They're the same, right? It's not that कि ये इधर जा रहा हो, ये इधर आ रहा हो, side पे जगह कम ज़्यादा हो, एक जैसी. ठीक हो गया? Come here, come back. Now, I just did what was I copied it, so I'll just paste it. So you see, data खराब थोड़ा सा आ रहा है. क्यों आ रहा है? Confusion वाली बात नहीं है. वो हो ही रहा है कि जब मैंने data paste किया है, इसको मैं just करके देखो. Do you see what's happening? So what am I supposed to do? Well, I can select this and I can simply indent this. There we go. And what else do I have problem? Well, नहीं अच्छा हो रहा, कुछ नहीं होता. आप Control Z करो. Just go back. Come back here. मैं क्या करूँगा? मैं इसी को. Why is it doing this? मैंने किसको open किया? I'll simply do is I will indent this over here. I will reduce the size of this a bit. You can you're allowed to a bit more. बस ठीक है. I'll copy it now. I'll take it back to my labels, and I think so it's quite perfect. Yes or no? Is it not? Now what I'll do is one by one, मैं काम करूँगा. Title name 1, name 2. So title space name 1 space name 2. Enter address and town. Address, enter town, enter registration date, Mr. Manager surname. So you will have is manager surname, branch address, telephone number, telephone, today's date. Okay, right. Today's date. You can enter it from here. Okay, don't type it yourself, please. Come into date and time and enter the date from here. Do you know the reason why I'm saying so? Because it's dynamic. Every time you open the MS Word document, the date will be changed. If you type it yourself, it will not be changed. You get the point? Sara ho gaya. Remember, labels are not tables. Kyun? Because of the fact this. Yaad aaya? Ab is pe click karunga kya hoga? They all get updated. If I preview them, preview, you see all the records are filling up very professionally and very well. ठीक है? वो पूरे आ रहे हैं. जितने भी थे, वो पूरे आ गए. That's what is required. One important thing. Alt F9, you can see the merge field codes. So the examiner might say, display the merge field codes as well. वो भी आप display करा. Alt F9. So let's read the question again. So I've done all this 0.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we done or not? Point task A हो गया. Yes. Let's come to task B. ये भी कंप्लीट करना है. कुछ नहीं होता. आप लोग फारिग हो ना इसमें थर्ड लेसन में भी बैठ के करो. किसी क्लासेस के बाद आपकी है. तो जो भी है आपने करना है, घर पे करो, जो भी को आपने करना है कंप्लीट. अभी मेरे साथ सुन लो. जी बेटा बोलो. बेटा लेबल्स मेरी वो देखो, मैंने आपको वो सेपरेटली सिखाया था कि एक्सेस इज डिफरेंट. ये आपके जो है ना, ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपका लेबल टू कस्टमर लेटर्स, ये लेटर्स है. वो अगर क्वेश्चन आपका आएगा ना, वो अभी तक लेबल्स एक्सेस में इन ए लेवल हैज नॉट कम. If the question comes, it will be directly mentioned कि create a report और access में mention होगा create labels access में कहा. वो मेल मर्ज में नहीं आता. वो मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कराने के लिए आपको बताया था कि लेबल्स एक्सेस में भी बनते हैं मगर दे आर विद इन डेटाबेस. दिस इज एमएस वर्ड. मेल मर्जिंग इज डन थ्रू वर्ड. कीप इन माइंड. यू गेट द पॉइंट? ओके.
So how would we know if we have to make the labels in database or in Word?
Because over here it says create labels for customer letters. Customer letters cannot be made in database.
Okay.
You cannot create a template of a letter in over there. It's not meant for that.
Okay.
Okay. और सेकंड एक और बात भी है, कॉमन सेंस की बात है कि उसने फिफ्थ पॉइंट में क्या कहा है. उसने कहा इंसर्ट मर्ज फील्ड्स इनटू अ सूटेबल साइज मास्टर फॉर्म लेबल. और उससे पहले उसने आपको बताया हुआ है प्रिपेयर एंड प्रिंट लेबल्स फॉर सम कस्टमर्स. ठीक है. द फाइल दिस shows the structure of the label and the fields required. End of story. He has given you this file which is in RTF and it is telling you the structure in RTF. तो RTF क्या है? It's by default MS Word का default format. तो इसमें confusion है ही नहीं. We get my point. पहली बात है कि MS Word की फाइल दी गई है. सेकंड बात ये है कि उसने लेटर्स की बात की है. Is the point clear?
Yes, sir, I get it.
But this did not mean कि मैं आपके साथ एक्सेस में लेबल डिस्कस ना करता, because who knows, you get a question of creating labels in access. If you have an ambiguity, you don't worry, you have my activity. मैं बार बार मेंशन करूं एक्टिविटीज की? क्या पास पेपर कंप्लीट करो. टेल मी सर वी आर डन. नो यू वोंट टेल मी. आई विल टेक ऑल द पेपर्स फ्रॉम यू ऑन 20th of November. मैं आपको अगले वीक से डेडलाइन अनाउंस कर दूंगा. 20th नवंबर को मुझे सारे पेपर्स चाहिए. उसके बाद हम मेरी एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं, एक एक्टिविटी. ओके. सो when you do activities for every module, you'll do 5 activities of every module, coming out to be, let's say, 5, 6, 30, 40 activities होंगी in total. उससे आपको फिर जनरल तैयारी होती है. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Second part. अब कहता है कि some cars have been recalled for urgent check. A letter to customers. अब ये task भी है. It's a different mail merge to be done. अब वो कहता है you need to identify the vehicles from their vehicle identification number, a unique vehicle identification number, and produce letters informing customers of the need to book a check. I hope this is being recorded. Yes, it is. Okay. The vehicles recalled all have FM as the second and third character of the vehicle identification number. You need to extract records where the second and the third character of the VIN number are FM. Use an appropriate software package to do this. The recall cars were manufactured before 1st Jan 2014. A much more detailed filtering. You will need to use files. We've all done that. Provide a printout of the query criteria or filters you have used to extract relevant information. Open recall.rtf. So if you open recall.rtf, you see we again get a different kind of template provided to us for mail merge. Pretty easy. Look up. But let's read this again. Insert the field names into your document so the necessary information can be obtained from the filtered records based on these two files. The insert should be received. Okay, let's do till point number 12 first. आगे फिर हम पढ़ लेते हैं. ठीक है? So let's make a query. I did close the access इसी को हमने यूज करना है. So, okay. So are you following with everything?
Yes, sir.
You have to attempt this entire thing, then you will get it. Okay.
Okay.
Luckily I have recorded the lecture. Come on. Okay. So let's go to create. You redesign because obviously we have to make a new query. So what we do now is we need to add which fields. आपको पता है. Can I just close this? We don't need this anymore. Can you close this? I don't need this anymore. And what we need is this. So again, the same story starts again. Title, name. So you have the title, name one, name two, address down, address down, title, name two. Didn't I do that? Yeah, title, name two. Name two, I did not put name two. Branch address
So you did.
and today's date. Fine. And vehicle identification number. Didn't put that. And telephone. Telephone. No, we haven't missed anything. Right. I'll discuss this afterwards. Sorry, beta. Name to. तो एक बार चेक करते हैं. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. अब क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि the vehicles recalled all have FM as a second, third character. So if I run this, वो ये कह रहा है कि I want to recall all those that have FM as a second and third character. You can see that. इसको अगर मैं sending out करूँ, so you might see you have FM. ये देखो FM second, third character है. Can you see that? Yes or no?
Yes.
How do we extract that? So in the VIN, if I want, maybe, okay. Now the way we can do it is question mark FM star.
I started.
So what happens is, oh, I didn't put the double quotes. मैं भी इसको explain करता हूँ. मैं भी इसको सारे को explain करता हूँ. So if I run this, I get FM second, third. Yes or no? Now let me explain this. Please, you got some note भी कर लो आप लोग. Please note it out. So we have some wildcards. First, we have the star as a wildcard, and then we have the question mark as a wildcard. Star basically does is that it represents all 256 characters. And your question mark basically represents any one of the 256 characters. Yeah. मैं आपके साथ करके भी दिखाऊंगा. So this is the entire story of the two wild cards. Okay, आप note down कर लो या ठीक है. Very good. Just one correct. ठीक है. If I put
Sir,
जी बेटा.
you have written when we type question mark A start means the second last character should be A. Isn't that wrong? The second character would be A. The second character would be A if you type question mark A and A.
Yes, yes. पहले मैंने सही लिखा था. मैंने when we write question mark A start means the second character, not the second last. And when we type A question mark star.
It means it's the first character. Oh.
Oh. Means that A is the second last. ये भी मैं आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट भी करके दिखाता हूँ. ठीक है. Okay, have you noted down? And I will just demonstrate this to you. The purpose of this class was not just to solve this activity, to discuss random points. कि हमारे database के points clear होने चाहिए. If you note it down, let's discuss it. I'm not solving the question right now. मैं पहले demonstrate कर दूं, then we'll talk about it. So please गौर से देखो इस चीज को. कि you see, let's say I have the town, and I want to extract all those like towns that obviously start with T. So I type is T star. You are aware of that. So T star लिखा, क्या हुआ? अच्छा like वगैरह खुद आता है. So what do I get? I get all the towns that start with T. बिल्कुल ठीक है. I want to find all those towns that end with a particular character. So I'll type a star, let's say I. Okay. So what I get is I get all the towns that end with I. Yes or no? So that's clear. Let's come to, I want to find out lane, right? All those address that have a lane. देखो ना, अब ये जो लैंग्वेज है ना, comprehending what the examiner is trying to ask, ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. I've seen students जिनको आता भी है मगर क्वेश्चन की समझ उनको नहीं आती. एग्जामिनर सिंपल कह रहा है कि प्रोड्यूस अ रिपोर्ट that will include all the people living in lane address. तो सिंपल उसका कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपने फिल्टर आउट करना है ऑल दोस एड्रेसेस जिनमें लेन का वर्ड हो. एंड यूजिंग माय नॉलेज मुझे पता है आई कैन यूज स्टार एज अ वाइल्ड कार्ड. एंड यूजिंग माय नॉलेज मुझे पता है मैं अगर आऊंगा इधर एड्रेस 1 में, आई कैन टाइप ओवर हियर इज स्टार lane star, and if I run this it gives me all those addresses that have lane. अच्छा, अगर ये lane शुरू में भी होता, even then it would have worked. Even if lane was in the middle, it would have worked. Even if lane is at the end. So yes, it's at the end, fine. But I'm telling you, it would have worked in all these three cases. So lane lane star means I'm repeating again that lane can be in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. You get my point? So whenever you have to find a word consisting, okay, a sentence consisting, a note consisting, a description consisting, an address consisting, kuch bhi ho, that's how you do it. Question ko samjho, using your knowledge implement karo. Dua, you with me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we have to do is, for example, I want to find out all those towns that have A as a second character. All those towns that have A as a second character. So I can use question mark because I don't know what's the first character. Okay, A is the second character. तो A के बाद क्या होगा मुझे नहीं पता. My emphasis is that I just want A to be the second character. वो मैंने कर लिया. तो उसके बाद I put star. अब स्टार का मतलब है कि A के बाद probably I have 100 characters और 2 character और 3, मुझे नहीं पता. Emphasis किस पे है? A is the second character and I've done that. But there's one thing. Whenever you use 2 or more wildcards together, you need to put them in double quotes yourself. Access won't do it. If I press enter, it will say your expression is not correct. So what I'll do is I need to put the double quotes. Come on, myself. So I come here, I put the double quotes at the end, I put double quotes in the beginning, and now, so whenever we use two or more wildcards, we need to put them in the double quotes ourselves. Okay, the rule goes for Excel as well, please. You'll remember that. Excel में भी इसको हमने डिस्कस किया था, भूल गए होंगे, फिर करेंगे when we revise spreadsheets once more, inshallah. Okay, so if I run this, what do I get? What do I get? Yeah, do I see I get the town and the second character of the town is A? Can you see that? Yes or no? Any confusion?
No,
Unless
sir.
and until you don't practice it, please आपने काम करना है, घर जाके खुद कभी करते क्लास में, ठीक है? You have to help yourself, all of you. Open up any database, आप इसको सीखो. कोई database open करके अपने आप से question पूछो, what if I want this? What if I want this? How will I do it? ये इतना आसान है, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, मुश्किल नहीं है. आपने एक बार concept clear कर लिया, and if you were able to answer all your questions yourself, you will be able to do everything. इसमें मुश्किल काम क्या है? Go and generally first घर जाके आज practice करो. I want a report that will have this. I want a query में ये हो, ये हो, ये हो. नहीं होता, note it down. मुझसे WhatsApp group में पूछ लो. That's why we have the WhatsApp group. And I'm not happy with the way WhatsApp group works. I keep on sharing things, and there is no good sir, thank you, shared. We have read it. We have not read it. Samia asked me questions. That's it. Or कोई नहीं पूछ रहा था, ईमान पूछ रहा randomly. No one does. I appreciate when you ask a question. I appreciate if Samia comes to me with theory papers और कहती है सही explain कर दे. I really appreciate. I'm not one of the teachers जो कहे कि क्यों ये मेरे पीछे क्यों, क्योंकि हर result will be my result. You get the point. So effort करना शुरू करो. अभी recently, mashallah, you also woke up, and it remains like that. I want this from all of you. Please wake up. Don't think you have 6 months. You don't have 6 months. Take out 3 months out of that for your exams. Three months, हमारे पास 3 months है, इसमें हमने सब कुछ करना है. Get the point? Okay. 3 months अपने लिए exams के लिए रखो ना आप लोग, ठीक है? Okay. Anyway, so what if I want to find out all those towns that have, let's say, A as a second last. A as a second last. So I will type is star A question mark. Do you agree with me? So if I run this, do I get A as a second mark? I do. Can you see that? A as a second last. Why is that so? The reason why is that so is, let's see why. क्योंकि जब मैंने ये लिखा है star A question mark, so star का मतलब कि any number of characters, ढेर सारे characters आ रहे हैं, फिर A आया है, और A के बाद क्या है? There is just one character, उसके बाद end हो रहा है. And that one character we don't know. From A to Z, it could be any. Second last A. So I proved to you कि जो मैंने लिखा है वो उस तरह ही काम कर रहा है. Just proved. Any ambiguity? Anyone? दुआ?
No, sir.
बेटा anyone
No,
हो
sir.
Sure हो ना? मैं फिर से कह रहा हूँ आपने randomly ये एक्टिविटी आपके पास है, अब इन दोनों फाइल्स को आपने इंपोर्ट करना है घर जाके. आपने randomly क्यूरीज से प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Ask yourself, what if I want this? What if I want to extract this? आप randomly, when you will answer yourself and you will experiment and you learn and you will teach yourself, आपको भूलेगा ही नहीं, रट्टे नहीं लगाने. आप जितने भी पेपर्स कर लोगे, if you don't teach yourself, this is not going to work. You get my point? Okay? Try करना, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसको try करो. You will see a big difference. Okay?
Sir,
हम
I
फंसे
wanted to.
सिर्फ रट्टे लगाने में. I'm telling you, past papers कर लिए? No, who says past paper करने से सिर्फ तैयारी हो जाएगी? करने हैं, लाजमी करने हैं. It tells us all the trend, but every time the examiner comes up with a different point. अगर हमने practice किया होगा, every point will be dealt with. Okay? कुछ मैं आपको और एक्स्ट्रा बता दूंगा, कुछ आप मुझसे पूछोगे, बाकी मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ. कई बुक में बहुत थोड़े हैं, by the way. Yes, Dua, you're saying something, beta? Okay, so let's get back to the question. पेपर तो खैर ये आधे घंटे का भी नहीं था सॉल्व करने वाला, मैं रेंडमली। सो एफएम अगर हमने करना था तो वी डिड दैट। नो वी डिडंट डू दैट, हमने काफी टेम्पर कर दिया। वी वर वेयर व्हीकल में हमने ढूंढना था, सेकंड शुड बी एफएम, सो क्वेश्चन मार्क एफएम star, and I put a double quote here, and I put a double quote here. So I run this, I verify. I should verify. Do I get FM? Yes, I do. So done with this. You will need to extract all records with the second character of the winner FM. Use an appropriate software package to do this. The recall cars were manufactured before 1st January 2004. Yeah, so there's another thing we want. We want all the vehicles manufactured before. So I have to put the registration date. So I have to find all those cars should be less than, no. So before clear, what do I type? You have to find all the vehicles manufactured before. Huh? Will I type less than or greater than 2004 for January? 0101 2004. क्या लिखूं? I want to find all the vehicles meant. Huh? Exactly. Less than. Less than. Dua, do you agree with me? Do you agree with Iman? Dua, having a cup of tea? Absolutely correct. Yes or no? Right? So, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ. Question पूछो, criteria लगाओ, answer देखो. You learn. You get the point? Okay. अब हमारे काम हो गया, इसको हम करते हैं सेव एज क्यूरी2 इन द सेम डेटाबेस। हमने अब काम सिर्फ क्या करना है, वी कम हियर, वी कम टू मेलिंग, यूज एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट, डेटाबेस 2 क्यूरी2। ओके, सारे रिप्लेस कर लिए। आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट, हो गए ना रिप्लेस, हम जब रिप्लेस हो गए, द ओनली थिंग आई वांट टू डिस्कस इज दिस वन, इंसर्ट। Let's read the question. Maybe I did or did not discuss the fill in. Did we discuss the fill in? Yes. अब ये देखो, वो कहता है कि select only cars which meet the criteria हो गया, merge these records to produce हो गया, कहता है insert this word steering when prompted, prompted fill in। और वो कह रहा है कि all you have to do is कि insert में, तो what we have to do is insert में we do is use rules fill in and just write over here is steering and ask once। इससे क्या होगा, ओ मैंने स्टीयरिंग वहां लिखना था। I was supposed to enter what steering की जगह, enter the car part, no, didn't get it। Fill in, enter the car part, steering, ask once। और अब अगर मैंने फील्ड्स लगाई होंगी सारी, मैं कर ही देता हूँ, पता है फिर वो ना नेम और एड्रेस, so title, name 1, name 2, address, town, title, name 2, VIN, branch address, today's date, और कुछ रह गया, टेलीफोन। That's it. Anything else? No. So all we need to do is now we'll simply review. Obviously it works. Finish, edit. Let me see. So, what did it say? Remember, I discussed a point. नहीं मैं डाला था, मैंने डाला है तो आ रहा है ना। ये वो इशू नहीं है. रिमेंबर आई डिड डिस्कस विद यू एन इशू. मैंने अटैच किया है मगर इट्स नॉट शोइंग एनीथिंग. द पॉइंट इज कि एक्सेस में ये पता नहीं उसने जानबूझ के फाइल में टेम्पर किया था एग्जामिनर इस फाइल को. आपने क्या करना है, व्हाट विल आई डू, यू नो द आंसर राइट. हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था. आई एम सेइंग इज के आई जस्ट कनेक्टेड माय मेल मर्ज विद अ क्यूरी and what happens is that it shows the field but it doesn't show me any record. हमने हाँ ये है ना क्यूरी. इसको मैं सिंपल कर दूंगा एक्सपोर्ट इनटू एक्सेल या सीएसवी, जो भी एक्सेल कर दो, फाइल टाइप इसमें कर दो, एक्सेल में कर दें. एक्सेल में एक्सपोर्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है. एक्सपोर्ट कर दो एक्सेल में. लेट्स ब्राउज, लेट्स सेव इट ऑन डेस्कटॉप. ठीक है. Now what I can do is I can just close this. I can use existing list and I can select is this file, and you see I get the record now, and I can preview it's working. You get my point. Finish, edit, or steering. So I get it. All the records, yes or no. तो मसला क्या था? मसला ये था कि this can happen, no problem if it happens. You just export your query into Excel and import it to Excel. ये जानबूझ के फाइल में प्रॉब्लम डाली गई एक्सेस में कि वो करेक्ट नहीं होता, वो वाली ऑब्जेक्ट को करेक्ट नहीं करता. वेरी गुड. बट सो दैट देखो, स्टूडेंट्स शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट एनी फाइल फॉर्मेट कैन बी कनेक्टेड विद एनी अदर फाइल फॉर्मेट. उनको इंटीग्रेशन आनी चाहिए. ओके, इंटीग्रेटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर आना चाहिए. इसका मतलब है बच्चों को ये नहीं पता था कि मैं क्यूरी को एज एन एक्सेल एक्सपोर्ट भी कर सकता हूँ. यस और नो? क्यों नहीं पता था? दे शुड नो इट. इसलिए मैं बात बार बार कर रहा हूँ कि डेटाबेसेस में वी विल प्रैक्टिस इंपोर्टिंग डिफरेंट फाइल टाइप्स एज वेल, एक्सपेरिमेंट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, कि अगर डिफरेंट चीजें आती हैं हम उनको टैकल कर सकें. मगर पहले पास पेपर्स कर लें, देन वी कैन कम टू दिस एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स, रैंडम पॉइंट्स. मगर पहले पास पेपर खत्म करें. डन फॉर टुडे? यस और नो? दुआ, आर यू देयर, स्टिल देयर बेटा? ओ, ओके राइट. तो मैं इसको एंड कर देता हूँ.